Welcome, tool enthusiasts and professionals alike. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of cutting-edge, must-have tools that are revolutionizing their respective fields. Whether you're a DIY hobbyist or a seasoned professional, these tools will deliver unprecedented quality and efficiency to your projects. From high-precision torque wrenches to versatile landscaping tools, we've got an exciting lineup for you. So buckle up and get ready to discover 10 cool tools that you really need to buy today. Number 10. Fakecon Digical Torque Wrenches 307. The Fakecon Digical Torque Wrenches 307 is a marvel of engineering, designed with an emphasis on precision and ease of use. Equipped with a digital display for real-time feedback, it allows users to apply precise torque, ensuring fastening accuracy in various applications. The durable construction of this tool ensures it can withstand the rigors of a high-demand environment, making it an ideal companion for automotive and aerospace industries. Number 9. PGKD. PGKD, a revolutionary tool in its field, is known for its robust performance and excellent efficiency. Its user-friendly design, coupled with advanced technology, ensures that it delivers high-quality results consistently. Adaptable and versatile, PGKD can handle a broad range of tasks, making it an indispensable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 8. Hammelmann MasterJet. The Hammelmann MasterJet represents a quantum leap in high-pressure water jet technology. Known for its power, reliability, and durability, the MasterJet excels in a range of applications, from surface preparation to concrete demolition. Its adaptability to different pressure settings and nozzle types offers users unparalleled control and flexibility, thus ensuring the highest quality outcomes in every task. Number 7. Tramax DEC Scanner. The Tramax DEC Scanner is a top-tier, non-destructive testing tool, specifically engineered for detecting and evaluating moisture, leaks, and other anomalies in roofing and waterproofing systems. Its wide scanning area, coupled with its advanced technology, allows for rapid detection, making it a crucial instrument for professionals in construction, inspection, and maintenance industries. Number 6. Roundover and Beating Router Bit. The roundover and beating router bit is a premium woodworking tool, boasting unparalleled precision and versatility. Its dual-function design allows for both roundover and beating operations, giving woodworkers the flexibility to achieve a variety of edge profiles with a single tool. Created from high-grade materials, this router bit offers long-lasting performance and is a must-have for any serious woodworking enthusiast. Number 5. Wagner Powertex. The Wagner Powertex is a top-tier texture sprayer renowned for its flawless performance and ease of use. This tool is expertly designed to deliver a uniform finish on various surfaces, making it an essential companion for home improvement and professional painting tasks. Its no-compression design and adjustable flow control ensure a smooth application of texture, whether you're working on a small touch-up or a large remodel. Number 4. Klein Utility Staple Starter and Staples. The Klein Utility Staple Starter and Staples set is a high-quality fastening solution designed to optimize efficiency and reliability. The Staple Starter, with its easy load mechanism and robust design, ensures a smooth, jam-free operation. The durable, high-performance staples offer superior holding power, making this set an ideal choice for securing wires, cables, or other materials in a variety of construction and DIY projects. Number 3. Airco Nujitsa RC54. The Airco Nujitsa RC54 is a state-of-the-art cutting tool. It's engineered for precision, durability, and comfort. This tool boasts sharp, high-quality blades perfect for various cutting tasks, ensuring clean, effortless cuts every time. Its ergonomic design minimizes hand strain during prolonged use, making it a favorite among professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 2. Miltona Side Stripper. The Miltona Side Stripper is a powerful and efficient tool, specifically designed for landscaping tasks. It excels at removing turf smoothly and evenly, making it an essential tool for lawn renovation or installation projects. Its robust construction, coupled with its user-friendly design, ensures that the side stripper performs consistently and reliably, even in the most demanding environments. Number 1. DTS-01. The DTS-01 is a groundbreaking tool that is rapidly gaining popularity in its respective field. Combining precision, power, and user-friendly interfaces, it caters to both professional and novice users. It stands out with its state-of-the-art design, facilitating efficient and high-quality performance. The DTS-01 is renowned for its versatility, capable of adapting to a wide variety of tasks, making it an indispensable addition to any toolbox. Built to last, it incorporates durable materials, ensuring longevity and providing excellent value for money. Whether you're an expert seeking to enhance your productivity or a beginner wanting to expedite your learning curve, the DTS-01 tool is a compelling choice to consider. That wraps up our overview of these impressive tools. Each of these instruments brings something unique to the table, promising to enhance your performance and productivity across a range of tasks. If you're as excited about these tools as we are, don't forget to hit that like button. And to stay updated with more exciting tool revelations, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Lastly, don't go anywhere just yet. We've got more remarkable tools to showcase in our next video. And trust us, you won't want to miss it. Until then, keep crafting, keep building, and stay tuned.